Are you guys ready to race? Yes, we love racing. It's our favorite thing.
Hey
Yay!
guys, you're watching Fun Wild Kids! If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. Enjoy the
video. Today we're back with these cutie cars. And it's the Bumper Bakery collection. And we love cutie cars because they're so cute and they're brand new. So here we have the things that we opened last time, and we're going to be opening more stuff later on. So if you want to check out those videos, after this video you can go check them out. And so here we're going to open this one, and it's so cute. So let's do this. So let's open it. Here's the scissors. Okay, you want to pull it out for me? Whoa. Oh look, the collector's guide. We'll see that later. Okay, let me open it. Oh, it's so cute. They're all so cute. I can't stop saying cute. So, let's see the collector's guide. It looks like we got all of these on this list, all of the 3 packs, and also Wizzy Soda, the exclusive, but except the limited edition ones. And hopefully we find them. It's in the 3 pack, as you can see here. They're so beautiful. Here, let's make magic. Okay, leave it. Go like this. And get ready to clap. 1, 2, 3. Wow, we did magic! That was so cool. So here we have all the little Shopkins. Okay, so we'll show you a close-up on each of them right now. They're so cute. And look at the little baby Shopkins. I've never seen the Shopkins like this ever before. Oh, and look, this one has a little rainbow on its hat. And this one has a cherry and a little cake and another little rainbow. Which one's your favorite? Tell me in the comment below. Their names are, this one, it looks like it is Happy Bee SUV. So cute. It has like chocolate and strawberry all over. On the top it has sprinkles and some frosting. And also like a little cake. And it looks like it's like a little bear. And over here we have Choco-cherry. And it has like a little cherry on the top. There we go. That's your little car. It looks like these guys are ready to race. And whoever wins the race will get a big giant Sunday trophy. And it's gold too. Hey Rainbow Rider, you want to race? Yes, let me just put my little Shopkin inside. So it looks like Rainbow Rider has a little hat on top. And it kind of looks like a little cake rainbow. And here we have its little Shopkin. Oopsies. They're so cute. Okay, let's see who wins the race and gets a giant trophy. Are you guys ready to race? Yes, we love racing. It's our favorite thing. Yay! So which one do you guys go for? Rainbow Rider, Choco-cherry wheels, Happy Bee SUV. Okay, let's do this race. On your marks, get ready, set, go! Rainbow Rider won! Yay! Oh, I love trophies. Well, good job, Rainbow Rider. You won it. Yay, I'm so happy I won. I'm like Rainbow Dash. Get it? Rainbow Dash. Well, guys, it's the end of the video. But you can still click here or here to watch more videos, or you can click here to subscribe and don't miss our videos, and also click the notification one. Bye! Thanks for watching! Thumbs up and subscribe, and comment which one was your favorite.